According to a news report by Article 14 website, the number of people who died in 24 Uttar Pradesh districts over 9 months to the 31st of March 2021 was, cumulatively, 43 times higher than the total official COVID-19 death toll reported from these districts over this period, according to mortality data for India's most populous state. The 24 districts of 75 in Uttar Pradesh we chose reported the highest number of COVID-19 cases over the months of June, July, August, and October 2020 when the first wave struck, as per various media reports and government data tracked by COVID-19india.org. The excess deaths in these districts were between 10 to 335 times higher than the reported COVID-19 death toll between the 1st of July 2020 and the 31st of March 2021. The Bharatiya Janata Party has said UP's Chief Minister, Ajay Singh Bisht, popularly known as Yogi Adityanath, effectively managed his state's COVID-19 situation. All the excess deaths cannot be attributed to COVID-19, and a diversion of health resources could cause other deaths to rise. But the vast divergence in average general deaths and excess deaths over a part of the pandemic calls into question UP's official COVID-19 death toll of 4,537 by the end of March 2021. Documents obtained by journalist Saurav Das for Article 14 under the Right to Information Act, 2005, revealed that during the no-pandemic period between the 1st of July 2019 and the 31st of March 2020, these 24 districts registered around 178,000 deaths. Over the same period in 2020-21, deaths increased by 110% to 3,75,000 and excess of 1,97,000. 20 districts, including Muzaffarnagar, Sitapur, Haboi, Chandauli, and Badayu, registered a 2% to 48% drop in deaths, when compared to 2019-20. Given the delay in death registration in Uttar Pradesh, gaps in registration, and the fact that data for many districts were still being collated, the final figures will likely change. According to news website Article 14, the mortality data confirmed the undercounting in the districts of Moradabad, Rampur, Meerut, Ghaziabad, Gautam Budh Nagar, Aligarh, Mathura, Agra, Firozabad, Bareilly, Pilibhit, Kheri, Unnao, Lucknow, Kanpur Dehat, Kanpur Nagar, Jhansi, Pratapgarh, Amethi, Balrampur, Basti, Balia, Ghazipur, and Sonbhadra. Article 14 sought comment from Devendra Singh Negi, MD, UP's Director General of Medical and Health Services, but there was no response to repeated phone calls and emails. Attention to corpses floating down the Ganga in Uttar Pradesh, and the fact that thousands of deaths were unaccounted first came to national and global attention when Dainik Bhaskar reporters travelled a 1,000-kilometre stretch of the river. The official mortality data for Uttar Pradesh have not been accessed until now. In the eastern Uttar Pradesh district of Ghazipur, for instance, near Prime Minister Narendra Modi's parliamentary constituency of Varanasi, and where bodies were found floating on the Ganga, around 19,700 people died between the 1st of July 2020 and the 31st of March 2021, compared to 1,600 over the same time period in 2019-20, an increase of 1,136%. That is 18,000 excess deaths compared to the same period in 2019-20 and 197 times more than the officially reported COVID-19 toll, which was 92. The website says that all our data are underestimates, as we said, but the CRS statistics are the only reliable data to estimate pandemic death toll. Balia, close to Ghazipur, registered 7,300 excess deaths, about 120% more than the same period in 2019-20 and 68 times higher than the official COVID-19 death toll of 107. Unnao registered over 10,400 excess deaths, about 134% more than 2019-20, and 117 times more than the official death toll of 90. Kanpur Dehat, rural, registered 4,040 excess deaths, 236% more than 2019-20, and 106 times more than the official toll of 38. In Amethi, about 13,000 more people had died than normal, more than 1,700% than 2019-20. The official death toll was 39 or 335 times less. Lucknow district, which hosts the state capital, registered over 30,200 excess deaths, 524% more than 2019-20, and 25 times more than the official death toll of 1,211. Bareilly registered 12,000 excess deaths, 72% more than 2019-20 and 73 times more than the official death toll of 166. During the second wave, Union Minister Santosh Gangwar, the BJP MP from Bareilly, wrote a letter to Adityanath, expressing grave concern over the state's pandemic mismanagement. Agra district, where on the 12th of May 2021 Article 14, anecdotally, found vast underreporting, registered around 10,000 excess deaths, 103% more than 2019-20, and 56 times more than the official death toll of 178. Apart from the 24 districts, most other districts registered deaths 20% to 150% in excess of 2019-20, and between 5 to 100 times higher than the official COVID-19 death toll.